Behind every batch of premium Shatavari root powder is a journey of precision. From root selection to hygienic packaging, discover the complete manufacturing process that transforms nature into a high-quality botanical ingredient. The journey begins with carefully sourced Shatavari roots. Only mature, healthy roots are selected to ensure the best raw material for processing. Each batch is visually inspected to remove damaged, moldy, or inferior roots before production begins. The selected roots are thoroughly cleaned to remove soil, stones, dust, and other natural impurities. A controlled washing process ensures the roots are clean while maintaining their natural quality. After washing, the roots are cut into smaller, uniform pieces. This improves drying efficiency and helps achieve consistent moisture reduction throughout the batch. The cut roots are transferred to controlled drying chambers. Temperature and airflow are carefully monitored to reduce moisture while preserving the root's natural characteristics and quality. Proper drying is essential for long shelf life and efficient milling. Once fully dried, the roots are milled using industrial grinding equipment. The grinding process transforms the dried Shatavari roots into a fine powder while maintaining consistent particle size. The powder passes through precision sieves. This removes oversized particles and produces a smooth, uniform powder suitable for various industrial and commercial applications. The sieved powder undergoes a sterilization process to reduce microbial load and improve product safety. This step helps ensure the powder meets stringent quality standards required for global markets. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and nutritional value in our quality control process, ensuring it meets our international quality standards. Finally, our organic Shatavari Roots Asparagus Racemosus powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and exported worldwide. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. We are Medikonda Nutrients.